everyone, this is English trainer Deepak Sharma. I'm not going to teach you English, but I'm going to teach you one of the most important life lessons. So today when I was coming home on my bike, my son was sitting in front of me. It was around 20-25 kilometers run. I was riding the bike, my son was sitting with me, and throughout the journey, he went on asking questions. He saw a bike, he asked me whose bike it is. He saw a car and he asked whose car it is. He saw a building and he asked whose building it is. What's done in this building? Then I went on giving answers. I went on answering all his questions. Many of the questions were so tough. Believe me, I could not answer all of his questions. But I tried my level best to answer all his questions. So no matter, as he will grow up, he will learn all the lessons. He will know everything. Maybe he will know more than me as he grows up. So the lesson that I learned from him is that when a little kid, you might have seen little kids, they are so curious. It's their curiosity that makes them ask a lot of questions, and it makes them fast learners. They learn a lot of things in their early ages. And as we grow up, जैसे हम बड़े होते हैं, बच्चों में क्यूरियोसिटी होती है, बहुत सारे सवाल वो अपने पेरेंट्स से, अपने टीचर से पूछते हैं, और जितने ज़्यादा सवाल वो पूछते हैं उतनी ज़्यादा चीज़ें, उतनी ज़्यादा जानकारी वो हासिल करते हैं. क्योंकि एज किड्स, जैसे जब हम भी बच्चे थे तो हमारे अंदर भी वो क्यूरियोसिटी थी, बट एज वी ग्रो अप, जैसे हम बड़े होते हैं, हमारी वो क्यूरियोसिटी खत्म होती जाती है और हम सवाल पूछना बंद कर देते हैं. बीइंग एन इंग्लिश ट्रेनर होने के नाते स्टूडेंट्स मेरे यहाँ इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए आते हैं, और उसमें बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे होते हैं जो बहुत सवाल पूछते हैं. एंड आई सी दैट, मैं देखता हूँ कि जो लोग ज़्यादा सवाल पूछते हैं वो ज़्यादा चीज़ें सीखते हैं, और जो लोग कम सवाल पूछते हैं वो कम चीज़ें सीखते हैं. You know, they all pay the same amount of fees. सबकी फीस एक जैसी होती है. टाइम ड्यूरेशन हर कोई एक जितना समय मेरे क्लासेस में बिताता है. फिर भी ये हो सकता है कि कुछ लोग ज़्यादा चीज़ें सीख लें और कुछ लोग कम चीज़ें सीख लें, क्योंकि मेरे पास जो टाइमिंग उनको दिया गया टाइम है, उस टाइमिंग में मुझसे जो हो पाता है वो सारी चीज़ें तो मैं उनको सिखाता हूँ. इसके अलावा कुछ स्टूडेंट्स बहुत सारे सवाल पूछते हैं और बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीख कर अपनी बुक्स में लिख कर ले जाते हैं. सो वो लोग थोड़ा ज़्यादा सीखते हैं, और जो लोग सवाल नहीं पूछते, सभी को परमिशन है, सभी को अथॉरिटी है सवाल पूछे, बल्कि मैं उनको इनकरेज करता हूँ सवाल पूछिए, बिकॉज द मोर क्वेश्चंस यू आस्क्ड, द मोर थिंग्स यू विल लर्न. So I just go on answering all their questions. The people who ask a lot of questions, the students who ask a lot of questions, I see that they improve faster, they learn faster, they learn more things comparatively. So if you want to become a fast learner, and if you want to keep growing, there is a thought in English: know more than others, work harder than others, expect less than others. So for knowing more, you need to keep asking questions. If you ask a lot of questions, maybe you may not get answers for all your questions from someone, but if you get answers of a few questions, you will know more than someone else. There are some people, there are some students in my classes, they don't ask questions, they wait for other people to ask the questions, and when somebody else asks the questions, these people who don't ask questions, they also learn something, they also note down the answers, they also learn new things. So when you ask a question, you also learn something, and then if you share this knowledge with others, the whole world will learn something from you. As I am sharing my life lesson with you, there was no agenda. I did not want to teach you English today. I just wanted to share a lesson that I learned from my little kid. He's just 4 years old, and the curiosity, like I was just thinking कि how little kids have this curiosity, कैसे उनके अंदर इतनी curiosity और वो इतने सारे सवाल पूछते हैं. So this is the lesson that I learned from him, and I suggest you never stop questioning. My name is Deepak Sharma, father of a cute little son, husband of a caring superwoman, lawyer turned English trainer, director of Inspire, the Institute of Youth Development, where I have helped more than 2,000 people from rural as well as urban areas, aged 15 to 35, who were struggling because of their poor communication skills. Now they are moving steadily and firmly in their lives. Many of them are successful lawyers, doctors, teachers, engineers. Many of them are successful businessmen. And if you want to join my courses, my number is given in the description. Just pick up the phone, make a call, and I will be there to teach you. I will be there to help you improve your communication skills and get your dream jobs. For more videos like this, subscribe my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram. Link is given in the description. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.